I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the right orientation. Power off your AirPods Pro and make sure they're dry. Hold the stem between thumb and index finger. This gives leverage without touching the mesh. Once done, pinch the silicone tip at its widest base where it meets the plastic adapter. Pull gently but steadily away from the housing. Don't twist yet. The adhesive and friction loosen first. Doing this reduces risk of tearing the tip and protects the speaker from moisture and debris. If a tip feels stuck, you'll use gentle wiggling, small back and forth motions while pulling outward relieve suction. Make sure to avoid metal tools. Use a fingernail or a thin plastic pry to ease the edge if necessary. Once it separates, inspect the plastic adapter for residue or torn silicone. Residue can prevent a snug fit later. You should also look for air gaps by pressing a fresh tip on and listening for a seal. This ensures sound quality. To finish, line up the replacement tip with the adapter and press straight on until you feel or hear a click. This confirms proper seating. Once in place, test fit by wearing the earbud and checking sound and seal. If you hear rattling or weak bass, remove and reseat the tip. If reseating fails, clean the adapter gently with a 70% isopropyl swab to remove oils or debris, then dry fully before trying again. This fixes most fit and audio problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.